Hello everyone, this video let's talk about the production of commercial complex Signage guidance system. The production process is to weld stainless steel metal into shape and carefully polish the weld edges to make them smooth. If there are bumpy parts of the surface of the material, knock them flat by hand and then polish them twice. And enter the baking process, which can be divided into 3 steps. The first step is the primer, then the top coat, and finally the metal top coat.
After finishing this, you can assemble it to make it glow. Finally, check it. If there are no problems, you can produce it.